How did you like the background? How is it? And we are waiting for Ali. He is a very good friend of mine and he has been by my side for a very long time now. Moise is here. Moise, I painted that. How is it? Like, I had some help, but still, how is it? So we are waiting for consumer, and consumer might be having some internet issues. That's the kind of issues we all are having these days. Adil Rajput is here. Background bomb lag raha hai yaar. Thank you.
हाय वकास।
Assalamu alaikum, Ali.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, कैसा है?
I am good. How are you? It's so good to see you.
आई एम वेरी गुड टू।
How's life?
मेरे
What
पास
are you doing
इंटरनेट
these days?
कनेक्टिविटी का कोई इशू नहीं था, लेकिन दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम गोइंग लाइव, तो मुझे पता नहीं था हाउ इट वर्क्स। ये बता। लाइफ इज
Yeah,
गोइंग
I am
ग्रेट,
so dumb
इट्स
when it
प्रीटी
comes to
गुड।
technologies. यानी I had
हाँ
to figure out a lot of things start करने से पहले.
हाँ हाँ।
Uh, Now you can see it.
यार दिस इज अमेजिंग। ये बहुत
Thank
अच्छा,
you.
इट्स वेरी कलरफुल।
It is colorful. Like I had to add a lot of colors in it ताकि
या
थोड़ा
या
bright लगे.
ताकि थोड़ा ब्राइट लगे, और इट रिप्रेजेंट्स योर शो एज वेल ना। तू जितनी डाइवर्सिटी इकट्ठी कर रहा है इस शो के अंदर, इट हैड थ्रू द कलर्स।
Now you are back. Actually, you went away for a while.
हाँ, somehow. Like on my
So,
side,
Ali,
you
what are
went
you
away.
doing these days? Because you were in Islamabad, you were doing
I
some job there, then you came back, you were doing job here as well in Faisalabad. What are you doing? पहले तो ये बताओ मुझे.
Yeah, so I was doing a job in Faisalabad, लेकिन वो एक semester के लिए थी, तो that was over. Then I went on to Islamabad for a full-time job, जो कि अभी भी चल रही है, पर since the university is closed down, we cannot go to the university काम के लिए, तो we're remotely working.
Sahi, that is actually good. And what is your job?
Yeah. It's complicated, लेकिन I'll try my level best to make it short and tell you about it. It's a startup.
Yeah.
We are working on an industrial development project, which is like a startup with UNIDO, or they're developing this organization which we have to operate primarily as per the policy of the board of the governors. So I am the manager for that. So I lead a team of 2 women, or we are going to be working on industrial development very soon. जैसे ही TORs develop हो जाते हैं अच्छे से।
Well, that is very good, and that is actually a good startup. It's great.
Yeah, that is. So
Congratulations.
we take domain of energy, or we help industries in terms of that energy efficiency or renewable energy.
Okay. Or Ali,
Yeah,
the manager.
yeah, the manager.
Okay. I actually have a question for you, जो कि
Yeah,
मेरा
yeah,
first question भी कि how do you maintain a balance in your life? क्योंकि you were doing exceptional in your co-curricular activities, and you were doing exceptional in your academics as well. And still now you are doing something which we'll talk about later. That is not your
yeah,
professional career, but you are still pursuing it. I don't want to talk about that. हम बाद में बात करेंगे.
yeah,
So
yeah,
how do you find that balance in your life? Because you do everything and you do it with full passion and you do it very beautifully. How do you do
yeah.
that?
Yeah, so you have to prioritize things. When I was a student, I prioritized my studies on the top, and the secondary thing was extracurricular activities. So that helped me cope with time management, जो कि which is a hefty task, बहुत आसान नहीं होता, और it wasn't easy for me. लेकिन if you prioritize things और आपकी priority well defined हो, you don't have to make a decision every time you're in a dilemma, तब इजी हो जाता है मैनेज करना। तो आई नेवर हैड अ डिलेमा, आई हैड माई प्रायोरिटी सेट, और मुझे पता था कि जब भी ऐसी सिचुएशन आएगी व्हाट आई हैव टू चूज। तो दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज ऑलवेज वेरी इजी फॉर मी,
और
इफ यू
अली
सेट योर
जो जहाँ तक
प्रिंसिपल्स।
बात है
यस।
because when it comes to opportunities, hello Sarish, she's asking us to say hi.
हाय 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 सरेश। या मैं कमेंट से लाइक वेरी डाउन बिलो है, और मुझे बहुत अजीब लगेगा, मैं बिल्कुल।
That's fine. मैं तुम्हें बताता रहूंगा उसका उसका खैर है. Hello. Oh, he's gone again. Thank you so much, internet. Oh, you're back. Thank you so much.
Now I can.
ओके अली, तो मुझे तुमसे ये पूछना था कि
हाँ हाँ.
यू ऑलवेज कम अप विद समथिंग न्यू टू डू, और तुम जो भी चीज लेके आते हो, यू कम अप ऑलवेज कम अप विद न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज. तो डू
Yeah.
यू एक्चुअली प्लान एवरीथिंग आउट, या फिर जो तुम्हारे लाइक इट कम्स योर वे एंड यू जस्ट सेलेक्ट कि ठीक है मुझे ये करना है ये नहीं करना है, बट डू यू हैव प्लान्ड
Uh,
एवरीथिंग आउट इन योर लाइफ कि ठीक है मुझे करना क्या है?
I do foresee things और मुझे पता होता है कि when something is going to end. For example, मेरी studies जब खत्म हो रही थी तो I had to foresee कि आगे मुझे क्या करना है. I cannot be clueless in something. तो this is how I go with it. मैं जब यानी when I was a younger student, जब मैं यूनिवर्सिटी में नया नया आया था, तो I don't actually hold up everything that I used to say at that time. लेकिन one of the things that I still stand by is कि मुझसे कभी कोई पूछता था कि why are you studying agricultural engineering और ये फील्ड का तो स्कोप नहीं है and all that. तो मैं यही कहता था कि इंसान का स्कोप होता है रादर देन फील्ड का स्कोप होना. तो इंसान का स्कोप होने का मतलब ये कि यू कार्व आउट योर ओन वे. तो दैट हैज ऑलवेज बीन द केस विद मी. और द वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. यू जस्ट हैव टू find them that find the opportunities that suit your needs and your capabilities. तो मैं हमेशा से जब भी when I see anything going to an end, I foresee things or I look for all the options that are available with me. So I eventually end up being successful, alhamdulillah. It's God's grace as well, क्योंकि मैं like I owe this a lot to him as well. Yani we can only plan,
What?
the execution goes perfect because it is his willingness, God's willingness.
नाइस. और अली,
Yeah.
एक और बात है तुम्हारे बारे में, लाइक यू ऑलवेज स्टे वेरी काम इन एवरी काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन, एंड एज आवर
Yeah.
भगवान सेड that you stay annoyingly very calm in every kind of situation.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what is that secret behind that? Because आपके पास कभी ना कभी ऐसा मोमेंट आता है when you have to panic, or even you don't have to panic, but sometimes you just panic. ठीक है, आप कहते हो कि ठीक है यार, I cannot take it anymore. But I have never
Yeah.
seen you like that. So how do you deal with those kind of situations?
You know, there is a thin line between devoting yourself into something that you're doing and going all in इस हद तक के आप कहो कि this is the end of the line. If this doesn't go well, this is the end of the line. तो मेरा वो वाला पार्ट नहीं है. I never go into anything ये सोच लेके कि if this doesn't go down well, this is going to be the end of the line. तो there's never the end of the line for me. मुझे ये पता होता है कि this is just another things. This is just another one of those endeavors. या this is just another one of those conversations, quarrels, fights, whatever it is. और मुझे पता होता है कि this is temporary. This is for this point in time. ये आगे जाके कुछ भी नहीं होगा. तो उस पर्सपेक्टिव के अंदर मैं इतना ज्यादा इंडल्ज नहीं होता. और मैं देखता हूँ कि कल को मैं जब when I'll be looking back at this particular event, तो I'll be measuring my response to be you know overreacted or overdone. तो फिर उस सिचुएशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए I don't dive right into that उस तरह से.
Nice.
So I know कि it's
Actually
never
very
the end of the line. Yes. Yeah.
okay. और अली, now what you are doing, इसके बारे में बात करना चाहूंगा. That is one of your co-curricular activities right now. That is your vlogging.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You are making very good vlogs. Is that
Yeah.
vlog or it's vlog?
It's vlog. It just like it's blog and not vlog. Similarly, it's vlog, not vlog.
Okay, it's vlog. So you're making
Yeah.
vlogs.
Yeah.
And you are doing very good by the name of
Thank you.
Consumer. So
Yeah.
I
Thank
would
you.
like to ask you one thing, because when you thought that I want to do this, there were already
Yeah.
lots of people in this field. YouTubers,
Yeah.
and there were lot of there were bloggers, and
Yeah.
they've got a massive following. So
Yeah.
didn't it intimidate you? कि अच्छा ठीक है, I'm coming into this field, or like what was the driving force which kept you motivated?
नहीं, तो primarily I never wanted to be a vlogger. I just wanted to be a content creator who makes videos about technology. अच्छा, vlogging के बारे में सबसे अच्छी चीज ये कि vlogging is the freestyle filmmaking. There are no rules. You can fail as many times as you want. और ये this is like the slate पे sketch करने वाली चीज है. You can do anything you want. इसमें कोई आपका resource नहीं लग रहा. और you can learn a lot from vlogging. दूसरा impetus ये था कि I was going to Europe for a Euro trip. or I wanted to document my travel over there because I knew for sure that this was going to be the time of my life. और ये दो impetuses जिनकी वजह से I dived into filmmaking. Or the easiest way of learning filmmaking was to make vlogs. So vlog is just a stepping stone. I never wanted to be a vlogger per se because I never bought into the idea of vlogs. मैं vlogs कभी नहीं देखता था. I was never fond of them. This is just to learn. Yeah, this is just to learn in order for me to be able to leading up to the technology thing and the other things that I want to do with the content creation.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So you went to Europe. Europe.
Europe. Yes, I did.
So you went there, and like, how was that experience? Like, what was the most memorable memory you have of that Europe tour?
Yeah, I was backpacking across the Western Europe, which was amazing. That part was my favorite. Or all the memories associated with that are amazing. They're all precious memories. हालांकि I was sleep deprived during the backpacking venture, पर फिर भी I loved it all. मुझे सब कुछ बहुत graphically याद है और I loved it absolutely.
But still, I want you to specify a one moment. I want you to specify a one, an incident or something.
There's not a single particular incident. I came across a Bangladeshi guy. He was very friendly. He
Oh,
knew Urdu
yes.
as well, and he was a huge fan of the show Loose Talk from back in the day, जो कि अभी revamp भी हुआ है. So he was a huge fan, or he was talking about that show with me all the time. हम लोग प्राग से बर्लिन जा रहे थे on a bus. So मैंने उसको बताया कि this is my time of sleeping. This is where I sleep. इसके अलावा मैं नहीं सोता हूँ और उसने कहा it's okay, it's fine, you can come to my apartment afterwards. I have really been
Oh my
wanting to
God.
talk to a Pakistani guy. Or I like, despite the fact that I knew that Eastern Europe has human organ transplant and stuff like that, लेकिन फिर भी organ trafficking thing. लेकिन मुझे पता था कि he is a decent guy, gentleman. तो फिर we kept talking throughout the journey क्योंकि he really wanted to talk to a Pakistani guy. और like I am a talking machine myself, लेकिन पहली बार जिंदगी में ऐसा हुआ कि somebody came over the top of me और उसने कहा कि I am a bigger talking machine than you are. I was like okay fine. और फिर I went there, वहां पे बारिश शुरू हो गई बर्लिन में, तो I didn't have a choice, so I had to go to his apartment. I went to his apartment. He was very hospitable. That particular friendship, I would say, was really memorable. He is still a very good friend. वो journalist है, जर्मनी में होता है, बर्लिन के अंदर, और he reports for like 6 or 7 news channels in Bangladesh as well.
That is good. That is actually very
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
And to specify the segment, जो हमारा segment है, that is about relationships. So I want you to actually point out a memory of us or an incident
Yeah.
that actually made you feel like कि ठीक है वकास is out of his mind. या फिर तुम्हें लगा
Vikas is
कि
out
ठीक है
of his mind.
वकास को पता नहीं क्या हो गया है, what is he doing? Like he's out of
Yeah,
sorts. And you can be
okay.
bold about
This
that.
this is in my mind for like फौरन ही आ गया, लेकिन ठीक है, it's appropriate, it's not bad. लेकिन there was this one time we were at the old campus और Ghazi was there as well. So we were greeting each other, तू और मैं, और you like kissed my neck, which was super weird. और मुझे था कि यार ये क्या हरकत कर रहा है इंसान. That was the one. Yes.
That's
Like
how
there
I
are a lot of
usually
other
greet
times.
you.
Yeah, बस I am the छुई मुई kind, और मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है if somebody touches me, or you did that. Like my close friends know
I
that
thought
I
you would
don't like
quote that
touching and
incident
all.
when 2 महीने तक I didn't talk to you because I
Yeah.
was
हाँ, ऑन एंड ऑफ आता था ना, तू लाहौर से फैसलाबाद, तो इस वजह से मेरा ख्याल है ऑन एंड ऑफ आता था इस वजह से, या पता नहीं, मैं
okay. I
इस्लामाबाद से
was
ऑन एंड
quoting
ऑफ आता
some
था.
other incident, but we'll talk about that later.
Okay,
So Ali, when it
you
comes to
can
relationships,
quote any other incident.
you
Yeah.
were in a relationship yourself,
Yeah, I was. Yes.
and I told you it won't work out, but still somehow it
Yeah.
ended for like 6 years or 7 years.
Yeah,
But
it lasted
still,
6 to 7 years.
guys
Yes.
broke up and it was over, and I had thought that I was right because I was. So
No, we didn't break up
I
because of
just
you,
want to know
because like your
what
opinion and
actually
all.
made you stick.
So there's this thing that I had a firm belief in the fact that you can talk everything out, or like problem to every solution lies in talking. और मुझे हमेशा से ये था कि if you can talk things out तो आप लोग कभी भी किसी भी चीज को you can drag along. लेकिन one thing that I was uh, undermining, I would say, was कि when you have principal disagreements with somebody over fundamentals, तो with the principal differences in the fundamentals, आप अपनी foundations weak लेके you cannot go that far. So that's why it had to end. लेकिन like I'm not sure that it ended as they say, like ended
You
क्योंकि
are still not
in
sure that
this
it
in
ended or
this
not?
नहीं मैं वजह बता रहा हूँ ना तुझे in this part of my life where you are spending a lot of your energies on building a career for yourself or building a professional path for yourself. You do not have the energies to invest in people for emotional support and for fetching a partner, as they say. वो उस टाइम की एनर्जीज थी, तो आई एम ड्रेन्ड आउट ऑफ दोज एनर्जीज. अभी मेरी एनर्जीज आर फोकस्ड ऑन बिल्डिंग अ प्रोफेशनल करियर. तो आई this means that I'll be lonely for quite a while, or I cannot invest time in another person. So I might revert back to the older person as well. Lekin without principal disagreements and foundation being weak, that's not going to happen. So there are things जिनमें से एक ये है.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Ali, there's one more thing actually.
Yeah.
Okay, in a relationship, how do you
Yeah.
define loyalty and how important is that for you?
How do I define loyalty is a tricky question. But
Yes.
I would define the loyalty as your tendency to be adhering to your partner's vows, I would say. नहीं, yeah, you behave as you would in front of your partner हर जगह पे. This is loyalty for me. तो आप कभी भी ऐसा नहीं करोगे जो आप अपने पार्टनर के सामने नहीं कर सकते हो. दैट इज लॉयल्टी फॉर मी. और इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और इससे जो वो होता है ना, एक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बीइंग अ बेटर हाफ, द अदर पर्सन इज योर बेटर हाफ, वो कंपेनियनशिप का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो बड़ा स्ट्रेंथन होता है. तो दिस इज incredibly important. आप you never feel that you are separated from each other. If you are loyal as per my definition, so you, no matter how far apart you are, you'll always be uh, sure of what my partner is doing and how they are going about, and they will always be around me, for that matter, uh, spiritually or virtually, whatever you might call it.
That is beautiful. And that is unbelievable.